Did you know that some of the world's biggest businesses are built on guilty pleasures? Yes, those tiny indulgences people feel a little bad about but can't resist. And guess what? You can turn those into your money-making empire. By the end of this video, you'll know 10 brilliant ways to profit from people's guilty pleasures, all while making smart, ethical decisions. Give close attention because what I'm about to share might just click interesting business idea in your mind. Subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's get started. Number 1. Late night snacking. Midnight snacks. Who hasn't indulged? Ever noticed how snacks are impulse buys? The snack industry is booming with a market size projected to reach $150 billion by 2030. Look at brands like Skinny Pop. They turn plain popcorn into a multi-million-dollar business by focusing on health-conscious consumers. How can you get in on this? Think creatively. Healthy alternatives, unique packaging, or a theme like snacks inspired by movies. Snacks sell themselves when they hit the right emotional chord. Number 2. Gaming. Gaming isn't just entertainment anymore. It's a thriving ecosystem with endless money-making opportunities. Why does it matter? Because where there's attention, there's money. Streaming on platforms like Twitch, where creators like Ninja have turned playing games into multi-million-dollar careers. Selling in-game virtual assets, which can rake in thousands if you play your cards right. Mark Cuban said in How to Win at the Sport of Business, "Find what people love doing and help them do it better." Creating merchandise for popular gaming communities, organizing esports events, or reviewing gaming gear. Each of these ideas offers a unique way to profit while being part of a community that loves what you're offering. Gaming isn't just fun. It's a gateway to financial freedom if you approach it strategically. Number 3. Fitness fads. Fitness isn't just about health anymore. It's a lifestyle people are willing to pay for. The global fitness industry is projected to reach over $700 billion by 2026, driven by trends like yoga, CrossFit, and even virtual fitness classes. Fitness taps into two of humanity's most powerful desires, looking good and feeling good. People buy expensive gym memberships, fancy workout gear, and the latest wellness apps, often fueled by the hope of a better version of themselves. You could create a fitness app with gamified goals, sell niche workout equipment. By positioning yourself as the solution to fitness boredom, you're not just selling a product, you're selling hope, transformation, and the promise of lasting change. Number 4. Beauty and skincare. Beauty and skincare are more than just routines. They're rituals of self-care and self-expression, making them a $600 billion global industry. Glowing skin or the perfect makeup look taps into a universal desire to feel good inside and out. Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. It disrupted the industry by offering inclusive shades, turning inclusivity into profitability. You can focus on untapped niches like eco-friendly packaging or skincare for specific climates. Every product you sell becomes part of someone's daily life, a part of their identity. By innovating and building trust, you're not just selling beauty, you're creating a legacy. Number 5. Social media addiction. We all know someone glued to their phone. Social media is a guilty pleasure that drives massive engagement and money. You can profit by managing accounts for small businesses, creating engaging content, or even teaching others how to grow their brand online. Think of influencers like Gary Vee, who turned his passion for social media into a business empire. You don't need millions of followers, just a valuable niche. Where attention goes, money flows. Number 6. Luxury goods. Luxury goods are the epitome of guilty pleasures. This $350 billion global market thrives on exclusivity and aspiration. Luxury is about storytelling. It's not the leather bag or designer watch, but what it represents: success, taste, and sophistication. Even in economic downturns, luxury thrives because it's driven by emotion, not necessity. Consider the rise of the Real, a platform that made secondhand luxury mainstream while maintaining the allure of exclusivity. If you position yourself in this space, you're not just selling products, you're delivering an experience. Every purchase feels like a step into a dream, making your business both emotionally and financially rewarding. Number 7. Pet pampering. Pets are like family, and people spare no expense pampering them. The pet care industry is worth over $200 billion globally. You can tap into this market by offering unique pet products, starting a pet sitting service. Chewy started as a small e-commerce site for pet supplies and is now a billion-dollar brand. Pet owners want the best for their furry friends, making this a recession-proof industry. Number 8. The coffee obsession. Most of us can't function without coffee. Did you know the global coffee industry is worth over $460 billion? And it's not just Starbucks cashing in. Entrepreneurs are creating boutique coffee brands, selling specialty beans, or even starting coffee subscription services. Take Blue Bottle Coffee. They began as a small shop catering to coffee purists and are now a global brand. You could do something similar by focusing on a niche, like organic or fair trade coffee. People will always crave caffeine, and with the right brand story, you can build a loyal customer base. Number 9. Streaming binge watching. Streaming platforms make billions because people can't resist good storytelling. You don't need to compete with Netflix. Think smaller, like creating fan merchandise. Blogs. Mr. Beast started by making reaction videos and now has a multi-million-dollar empire. What's stopping you from analyzing popular shows or sharing fan theories? Entertainment creates loyal followers, and loyal followers create endless opportunities. Number 10. Nostalgia. Finally, nostalgia is a powerful guilty pleasure. Whether it's collecting retro games, buying vintage clothes, or indulging in old-school candy, people love revisiting the past. Stranger Things revived 80s culture, sparking a massive trend in retro merchandise. Nostalgia connects people emotionally, making it a lucrative niche. See how diverse and exciting these opportunities are? Guilty pleasures drive behavior, and with the right approach, they can drive your income too. Start small, test your ideas, and grow from there. Which of these ideas excites you the most? Comment below. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. I'm dedicated to helping you achieve financial freedom through right knowledge. Thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.